like to successfully re-rate my chicken bun.
Hey guys, we're in Epcot today. We got here super late because Claire decided to sleep for an hour, so no big deal. Bailey's also here. We're gonna ride Spaceship Earth. There's only a 5-minute wait, so here we go. Hopefully it's better than the last time because it didn't work for me and Kennedy, so we'll see.
Custom made just for you.
Okay, let's see if it works this time because for Kennedy and I it did not work. Oh, it's working.
Just about ready. Let's take a look, shall we?
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future. And with solar power from your home fueling station, you're on. You won't have to worry about your pets while you're gone. Only network family cars that can take you anywhere.
Wow, that's really attractive. Good job, Taylor. Okay, we just did Spaceship Earth. My picture was really funny. Theirs was all distorted. It was really bad. But now we're gonna go to Club Pool and get some drinks. Here we go. Literally just the smell of it makes me want to throw up. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Ah, it's so bad. Way to participate. This one's my fave.
What about the grease?
Oh, bleh, it's not that one. It's Vivo. Frick. I drank the wrong one. Okay, just kidding. Is it this one? And they're out of it. No. So now we're gonna go ride Soarin' and probably do Living with the Land because Claire's never done it. So that's exciting. Bailey is Bailey's living today, man. She's having a great day. We're gonna go here. It actually feels really good. I'm glad that Claire slept so that we didn't come earlier because it's like cooler now. So it was like freakishly hot earlier though. So
Thanks for that.
all right, here we go. Did it just Okay, we're on Soarin'. I'm so excited. Oh, look, there's light. I found some. Thank you, Claire. Claire is the light woman. Yes. All right. We're so excited. Yes, that's better. Claire, tell them how excited you are to be front row on Soarin'.
We don't get to have to see feet, and this is Taylor's first time.
It's really not my first time.
Not on the front row, okay, you guys?
Oh, yeah, that's true. Soarin' on the front row is wonderful. People in Soarin' didn't really want to be at work today. That's okay. We didn't let that ruin our experience. I got told not to record, which I wasn't recording at the time. That's okay. Now we know that you cannot record on Soarin'.
Who knew?
Who knew? And now we're gonna go do Living with the Land because Claire's never done it. So
See the giant squashes.
yeah, the Disney squashes, all the good stuff.
Of all the forces at work on the land, humans have had one of the most profound effects.
You told me, okay, sir?
Welcome to our living laboratory, where scientists from Epcot and the U.S. Department of Agriculture are exploring innovative ways to produce bountiful harvests. Now, and it's our home to the greatest diversity of plants. Served in restaurants around the world that make up our everyday diet. The common grains growing here, wheat, maize, by populating our greenhouses with beneficial insects that prey on harmful pests like aphids and trees. With it, we can produce over 27,000 heads and better control diseases. These restaurants here at the land.
Are you enjoying the ride, Claire?
They keep showing me signs of what food they use, what vegetables they use in their foods here. I need that mac and cheese.
That's good. Okay, so we're going to Mission Space because have you ever done Mission Space? No, Claire's never done it. Bailey's not gonna do it.
No, I've done it.
Which is probably a smart choice, honestly.
So it's like the utility.
I'm gonna do it We're only gonna do the green one though because we're all too scared to do orange.
Bailey's not doing it.
Yeah, well Bailey's not doing it. But anyways, it's gonna be good and then we're gonna go get some food because we're all starving, so.
Congratulations.
We're not okay.
You have been selected to train for a spectacular.
Claire, did you like it?
Dude, I got to like freaking press all these buttons and land a spin.
Shut up. So we rode the ride and now we're all starving, so we're going to Active Eats to get loaded macaroni and cheese.
Wait, we have to go that way.
We have to go in over here. Okay, who knew? Okay, so we're at Active Eats and we got the loaded mac and cheese and we're all gonna try it. And then I also got the shrimp and scampi dip from Coastal Eats.
Oh wow, that's so gross. I'm just kidding.
It is really good.
Taylor hates when people film herself eating or whatever.
Weird. She's not filming herself. You're filming her.
Get you some. Get you some. Okay, everyone, rate these.
I'm doing my hair.
Rate it, Bailey.
9 for sure.
9 out of 10.
I would say 9 too.
I said 10 out of 10. I liked
Very
it a
good.
lot. I also would rate the shrimp and scallop thingy 10 out of 10. Okay, so now I've gone to Canada and gotten the cheddar and bacon soup with the little croissant pretzel thingy. Not a croissant. So it's getting really dark now, but I would rate the cheddar and bacon soup from Canada as probably a 7 out of 10. It had a very odd kick to it, but it was still really good. They went to the refreshment counter and got soft drinks, so
Yeah.
probably 10 out of 10 on that one. Okay, now we've got the teriyaki chicken bun from Japan. Sorry about this lighting, it's so dark, but Claire's already had it, and I'm gonna try it. So I would rate the teriyaki chicken bun as probably an 8 out of 10. It was very good. Claire? 10 out of 10. Claire's had it before though, Bailey.
I'd say an 8 as well.
An 8. So 8, 10, 8. So it's really good. We're walking through America, passing that sucker. Sugar Ray's here tonight, so that's a big deal. But we're not gonna listen to him. So we took a break from food and wine, and now we're gonna do Frozen. It's gonna be Claire's first time, so we're really excited. It's been a really cool day. I haven't started sweating all day until I started eating hot food, so it's been great. And now we're gonna ride Frozen, and then we're gonna go back, and we've got fast passes for Test Track, so.
I would like to successfully re-rate my chicken bun because it's making me feel like a small whale. I would re-rate it a 5 because it tasted great, but it made me feel terrible.
I literally, it's growing inside of me. Like,
Parkour! Parkour! We hate Claire. Claire, did you love Frozen?
I loved it.
She
I can't
loved
wait to
it.
go on again.
I don't want to go for
Yes.
So fun.
And now we have fast passes for Test Track.
On Frozen, we were singing really loud, and the people in front of us were judging me for letting it go and singing it all.
They really were. It's okay.
Love the angle.
Test Track. Yeah. Here we go. Oh, yours is gone, Claire. It's fine. There it is. Here we go. Made our cars. About to hit up.
Here we go! Yo!
Oh my gosh. Sorry, Bailey. Claire, that's better, right? Better than the yawn. That was so cool. I haven't done that. Oh, dark. Since I was in 5th grade. So that was awesome. Get that nice shot.
Stingray!
Just gonna take a nice view of these Chevy cars. So, if you guys are car shopping, just come to Test Track and try out your car. Chevrolet. Okay, so like I was saying, I hadn't ridden that ride since 5th grade, so it was very fun. Bailey is still dying from the chicken bun. Get the chicken bun, but just be aware that.
Split it.
Yeah,
Split
the chicken bun.
Split the chicken bun.
But anyways, we're done and we're gonna go back now. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Say bye. Claire, say bye.
Bye.
Bye.